everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video we will see how to use threads from Instagram. Now first of all, what is threads? So lot of people doesn't know what is threads. So here in this video we will see about all this. So threads is a new app from Meta, the company that owns Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. The app has been designed and built by the Instagram team and is described as an app for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. Threads app allows you to post messages of up to 500 characters in length, which is significantly higher than the 280 characters currently offered by Twitter. Your post can include photos, videos up to 5 minutes long and web links. Also, you can follow other users just like other social media. You could also follow public conversations. Now let's get started. How to use this application? You just have your Instagram account and you have to be logged into the Instagram app. You could do it on your iPhone or your Android. Now go to your profile page. Next here, tap on the three line at the top right corner. So here you will see threads option. Tap on it. Now here, tap on Get Threads option at the bottom of the screen. But make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. It will bring you to the App Store or a Play Store on your device. Then here, tap on Install. Now wait for it to download and install it to your device. Once downloading complete, then open it. And here's your home page. And basically, it's going to let you log into whatever Instagram account you are logged into with the Instagram app. Then here, tap login to logged into your account on Threads. It's going to ask you if you want to bring your username over, and you could import directly from Instagram. Or you could skip this and set this up later. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and import directly from Instagram. So the link, bio and the name all get imported and I could go ahead and press next. Then you could choose to be public or you could also have a private account. Here I selected public and it says, do you want to follow the same accounts that you follow on Instagram? So all these accounts I follow on Instagram, so I could follow them using this app as well over here. Then here it's going to tell you how it all works. Next here, tap on Join Threads. So here, this is the home page of Threads. You could basically scroll down here to refresh the page, but on the home page, you will see the different posts again. And they could be from people you follow, or they could just be suggested posts here as well. Over here, you could search for different people, so you could go and search. And also you can follow that people here. So that's how you can follow the people and search their username there. If you want to repost any quote, then here just tap on arrow icon, then tap on repost. So it will easily repost it on your account. Now just tap on the middle icon to compose your own threads. So this is where you can type something up to 500 characters long. If you want to add any photo or video from gallery, then just tap on that clip icon. Then add the photo or a video. Once you are done, tap on post. So it will be posted on your account. Here you will find all your notifications. So you could see all your activities over here. When people reply to you, mention you, they are all up here. Then here, this is my profile page over here. I don't have any post yet, but my post and my replies will show up here. Also you can edit your profile from this page. So these are all things that got imported. If you want to change any of those on that page, and you have more settings options here. So if you want to change your privacy or any type of account settings, that's all available over here. Here tap on Add to Story Then tap on Instagram clone. So it will be posted as a story on your Instagram account. Here you can see the Instagram story. Also you can edit this story as previous. Then tap on your story and it will be posted as a story on your Instagram account. Here you can see. Now tap on the circle which is at the top left corner. So here you will find more options like this. So that's how easily you can use threads from Instagram on your iPhone or any Android phone. If you still have any query about this or anything else, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.